So how do we actually connect the Gamesir G7 SE here to our iPhone? Well, the only way to do so is that we need to firstly grab our controller here and then grab also the extremely long cable that you get with it and then insert the USB-C end here, of course. Make sure to actually double check so it actually goes in. You have to sometimes push a little bit hard, just so you know. And the other end, well, the problem is that it has this USB end, right? So it's not possible to plug directly into your iPhone. So you need to have something. Yeah, this cable is a bit annoying, not gonna lie, sorry guys. Yeah, so you have to bridge the gap somehow, and you can use something like one of those devices here, as long as it actually fits inside your iPhone right here, basically. Very important that it fits right here. So you need to bridge the gap. So by bridging the gap, I mean that you have to insert the USB end here into some of this, and then the other end needs to go into your iPhone, and make sure that it actually fits. For me, it doesn't, unfortunately. I don't have one of the newer iPhones that has the USB-C, but if you do, it's easy to just connect here if you have one of those devices. If you don't, just get one of those that will fit, of course, your specific iPhone. And then you should be able to connect your Gamesir G7 SE here to your iPhone.